Hello. Today, Juan is going to show us how to register for the first time in the new Mettis AI student app. Once you enter your email, the system will ask for the invitation code provided by your instructor. Enter it, create a secure password, accept the terms, and click Create Account. On his first try, he takes the photo, but error. The app detects that there are several people in the photo. The system is very strict. You must be the only person in the image for it to be valid. Let's go for the second try. Juan tries again, but oops, another error. This time, the message warns us that he is too far away. You have to move your phone closer and frame your face well inside the white oval. All right, third time's the charm. Welcome to the new Mettis AI student app. On the home screen, you can track your level, your passing probability, and book classes instantly. Scroll down to Highlights to check your practice streaks and your strongest skills. Let's move to the Journey tab, an interactive map where every stop gives you detailed feedback to improve. In classes, review past scores, read your instructor's advice, or schedule a new session. Do you like challenges? In the Ranking tab, you can compete with other students to reach the top 3. And in your profile, you can adjust your availability and preferences in seconds.